Hello and welcome to On Tools. So we're going to have a look at some car boot finds. This is as I found them on the seat of the car, straight after the car boot. Picked these ones up because they've got a date on them. Can't see a make on them. Going to clean them up and find out if I can. Yeah, I've got a name on them. Date's 1941. Some vice grips. A bit more of an unusual head. Seen them before but I haven't got a pair, so another one to the collection. Some pipe grips. Blue handles. Some slip joint pliers. Picked these up because I noticed the pattern on the handle. Thought it looked American. We're going to clean them up and have a look, see what make we can find on them. And a hacksaw. Ding dong. British made. Nice little hacksaw, a bit more unusual than the Eclipse. So, nice find. Each of these costs between 50p and £1 each. Giving these ones a quick clean up. So it turns out it's the 1941 is at AM Air Ministry. It just says made in England. Slip joint pliers. Pipe grips. So yeah, all made in America. Crescent. Give everything a quick plaster WD-40. Can't find any brand on this. I don't think the channel locks because the grooves are only on one side. They don't go all the way over. So yeah, shame we can't find the name on them. Really pleased with how these turned out, nice and clean. So please leave a comment and thank you for watching.